Have you ever bought a PS Vita second hand and found it to be locked to somebody else's PlayStation network? Well, I'm going to tell you how to unlock that in just 60 seconds. I picked up this PS Vita at a boot sale recently, and it's actually locked to someone's PlayStation network. This could be an easy fix for you if you're in this situation too. I was struggling with needing to do like the verification process and get passwords sent to email, so that can't be done because I don't know the person whose email was in here in the first place. The first thing you need to do is turn the machine off completely and power that off. You're going to press the on button, the home button here, and the R button here. And you're going to try and do that simultaneously. There. Take your fingers off. There we go. We're into safe mode. Restore this system. This should set it straight back to factory settings and remove any network passwords, just as if you were buying it from new. This is a simple tip, but effective.